Do you ever feel lost, like you are searching for your path? We all feel this way sometimes. It's okay to not have all the answers, but you have the power to change. You can rise above any challenge. It's time to rebuild yourself. You are capable of amazing things. This is your journey. You are in control. Believe in yourself. You can create the life you desire. Stop trying to be someone you're not. The world needs your unique gifts. Embrace what makes you special. Your differences are your strengths. Be true to yourself. Don't be afraid to stand out. Your authenticity will attract the right people. When you embrace yourself, others will too. Celebrate your individuality. There is power in being different. Your uniqueness is what makes you, you. Never forget that. Don't let your past define you. Everyone makes mistakes. It's a universal truth that no one is perfect. We all have moments we wish we could take back, decisions we regret, and actions we wish we could undo. But dwelling on these moments only holds us back. The past is a place of reference, not a place of residence. It's important to acknowledge our mistakes, learn from them, and then let them go. Holding on to past regrets can weigh us down and prevent us from moving forward. Instead, we should focus on the lessons we've learned and use them to become better versions of ourselves. It's what you do today that matters. Let go of regrets. Each new day is an opportunity to start fresh, to make new choices, and to create a better future. The present moment is all we truly have, and it's where our power lies. By letting go of the past, we free ourselves to fully embrace the present. Imagine the weight lifting off your shoulders as you release those old burdens. Picture yourself standing by a flowing river, watching as your regrets are carried away by the current. This act of letting go is liberating and allows you to focus on what truly matters, the here and now. Focus on the present moment. The past is over, the future is yet to come, but the present is a gift, and it's where life happens. When we focus on the present, we can fully experience the beauty and wonder of life. We can appreciate the small moments like the blooming of a flower or the tranquility of a peaceful park. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help us stay grounded in the present, allowing us to let go of past worries and future anxieties. By being present, we can make the most of each moment and live our lives to the fullest. Learn from it, and move on. Every experience, whether good or bad, has something to teach us. Our past is filled with valuable lessons that can guide us on our journey. By reflecting on these lessons, we can gain wisdom and insight that will help us navigate the challenges ahead. Imagine yourself as a hiker on a mountain trail, looking back at the path you've traveled. Each step, each stumble, has brought you to where you are today. And now, as you look forward, you can see the path ahead with greater clarity and confidence. Moving on doesn't mean forgetting the past, it means using it as a stepping stone to a brighter future. You are not your past failures. You are not defined by your mistakes. Instead, you are defined by how you rise from them. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you have the power to transform and renew yourself. Each setback is an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Embrace your resilience and strength. Stand tall with your arms open wide, ready to welcome the new possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, your past does not dictate your future. You have the power to create a new narrative for yourself, one that is filled with hope, determination, and success. You are capable of growth and change. Just as the city awakens with the sunrise and new leaves sprout on a tree, you too can experience renewal and growth. Change is a natural part of life, and it brings with it new opportunities and possibilities. Embrace the changes that come your way and see them as chances to evolve and improve. Each day is a new beginning, a fresh start. By being open to growth and change, you can continuously become a better version of yourself. Trust in your ability to adapt and thrive no matter what challenges you may face. Today is a new day, a new beginning, a chance to start over. As the morning dew glistens on the grass and you take a deep breath in the forest, feel the freshness of the new day. Let it fill you with hope and optimism. Each sunrise brings with it the promise of new opportunities and the potential for greatness. Embrace this new day with an open heart and a positive mindset. Leave behind the shadows of yesterday and step into the light of today. This is your moment to shine, to make a difference, and to create the life you desire. You have the power to create a brighter future. Leave the past behind. The horizon is filled with endless possibilities, and you are the architect of your destiny. As you hike towards a bright future, remember that each step you take is a step towards your dreams. The past may have shaped you, but it does not define you. You have the strength, the courage, and the determination to build a future that is filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any obstacles that come your way. The future is yours to create. Embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. The open road stretches out before you, leading to new adventures and opportunities. With open arms, welcome the sunrise of a new day and the promise it holds. The journey ahead is filled with potential, and you have the power to make it extraordinary. Embrace the unknown with excitement and curiosity. Trust in your ability to navigate the twists and turns of life. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright. Step forward with confidence and embrace the journey that lies ahead. You don't have to do everything at once. Small steps lead to big changes. Start with one small action today, then another tomorrow. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time. Celebrate your progress along the way. Consistency is key. Don't give up on yourself. Every journey starts with a single step. What small step can you take today? Keep moving forward no matter how small the step. You've got this. Section 5. Unleash your potential. You are capable of amazing things. Every single one of us has untapped potential within, waiting to be discovered and unleashed. It's not just about achieving success, but about realizing the incredible power that lies dormant inside you. Imagine the possibilities when you truly believe in yourself and your abilities. The journey to unlocking your potential starts with a single step, a decision to push beyond the ordinary and strive for the extraordinary. Believe in yourself. You have the power to achieve your dreams. The first step towards unleashing your potential is self-belief. It's about having the confidence to pursue your passions and the courage to face challenges head-on. When you believe in yourself, you set the foundation for success. This belief acts as a catalyst, propelling you forward even when the path seems uncertain. Remember, every great achievement started with the belief that it was possible. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Tap into your inner strength. There will always be naysayers and obstacles along the way, but your inner strength is your greatest ally. It's the resilience that keeps you going when times are tough. The determination that pushes you to keep climbing even when the summit seems far away. By tapping into this strength, you can break through barriers and overcome any challenge that comes your way. You are stronger than you think. Push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Growth happens when you step out of your comfort zone and challenge yourself. It's in those moments of discomfort that you discover your true capabilities. Whether it's lifting a heavy rock or running uphill, these physical challenges are metaphors for the mental and emotional hurdles we face. By pushing yourself beyond what you thought was possible, you unlock new levels of strength and resilience. That's where growth happens. Your potential is limitless. The journey to the summit is not just about reaching the top, but about the growth that happens along the way. Each step you take, each challenge you overcome brings you closer to realizing your full potential. And remember, your potential is limitless. There are no boundaries to what you can achieve when you set your mind to it. The only limits are the ones you place on yourself. Don't be afraid to dream big. Set your goals high and go after them. Dreaming big is the first step towards achieving greatness. It's about setting ambitious goals and having the determination to pursue them relentlessly. When you dream big, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Don't be afraid to aim high and go after what you truly want. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. The power to achieve your dreams lies within you. With determination, resilience, and self-belief, you can overcome any obstacle and reach any goal. Remember, the journey to unleashing your potential is a continuous one. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never stop believing in yourself. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. The sky is the limit. You are worthy of love and happiness. Believe that you deserve good things. Don't let negative self-talk hold you back. Treat yourself with kindness and respect. You are valuable and deserving. Embrace your worthiness. It's time to shine your light. You are enough just the way you are. Embrace your imperfections. They make you unique and beautiful. Believe in your inherent worth. It's time to rise above your challenges. You are not alone. We all face obstacles in life. It's how we overcome them that defines us. Find your inner strength. You are more resilient than you think. Embrace the journey, even the tough parts. They make you stronger. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Surround yourself with positive people. Together you can achieve anything. It's time to rise and shine. You have the power to rebuild your life. No matter where you are right now, no matter what challenges you face, you have within you the strength and resilience to start anew. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, but every moment offers a fresh opportunity to begin again. Embrace the sunrise, the symbol of new beginnings, and let it inspire you to take the first step towards a brighter future. It's never too late to start fresh. Whether you're walking along a serene beach or hiking through a dense forest, each step you take is a step towards renewal. The path may be winding and the journey long, but with every stride, you are moving closer to the life you envision. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, lace up your shoes, take a deep breath, and set forth on your path to transformation. Focus on what you can control. In a world full of uncertainties, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But by centering yourself through practices like meditation and yoga, you can find peace amidst the chaos. These moments of stillness allow you to reconnect with your inner self, to listen to your heart, and to focus on the aspects of your life that you can influence. Let go of the noise and distractions and channel your energy into what truly matters. Let go of what you can't. Just as a balloon rises into the sky or a stone creates ripples in the water, releasing what you cannot control can bring a sense of freedom and relief. Holding on to past regrets, fears, and anxieties only weighs you down. By letting go, you make space for new experiences, new joys, and new opportunities. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and that by releasing the old, you are making way for the new. Create a life you love. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's painting a canvas under the open sky or tending to a garden, these moments of creativity and connection with nature can be incredibly healing. They remind you of the beauty and potential that exists within and around you. By dedicating time to your passions, you are actively shaping a life that resonates with your true self. Set goals, make plans, and take action. Writing in a journal or mapping out your dreams on paper can be powerful tools for manifestation. These practices help you clarify your vision and set tangible goals, but remember, dreams remain dreams without action. Break down your goals into manageable steps and take consistent action towards them. Celebrate your progress no matter how small, and keep moving forward with determination and purpose. You are the architect of your own destiny. Just as an architect designs a building, you have the power to design your life. Every decision you make, every action you take, shapes your future. Embrace this role with confidence and creativity. Build a foundation based on your values and aspirations, and construct a life that reflects your dreams. Remember, the most beautiful structures are built with patience, care, and vision. Build the life of your dreams. Vision boards and daydreams are not just idle fantasies. They are blueprints for your future. By visualizing your dreams, you are setting the stage for their realization. Spend time imagining the life you desire, and let these visions guide your actions. Believe in the power of your dreams and the possibility of their fulfillment. With dedication and perseverance, you can turn your dreams into reality, step by step, day by day. Progress may be slow, and the climb may be steep, but every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or jogging through your neighborhood, each moment of effort counts. Stay committed to your journey, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every challenge you overcome strengthens you and prepares you for the next stage of your path. You can rebuild your life into something truly extraordinary. Just as a small renovation can transform a space or planting a tree can enrich a community, your efforts to rebuild your life can lead to profound changes. Embrace the process of growth and transformation. Be patient with yourself and trust in your ability to create a life that is not only fulfilling, but also inspiring to others. Believe in yourself and your ability to create positive change. Confidence is key to transformation. Stand tall, look yourself in the mirror, and recognize the incredible potential within you. You have the power to shape your destiny and to create a life that reflects your deepest desires. Trust in your journey, believe in your dreams, and take bold steps towards the future you envision. The world is waiting for the unique contributions that only you can offer. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There is no better time than now. Take that first step, embrace your true self, and start building the life you deserve. You are capable of amazing things. Go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for you. Start your journey today.